Are you ready to be part of something extraordinary? Welcome to where dreams become reality and the pursuit of knowledge is truly limitless. At Selva, we believe that greatness lies within each and every student. Our dedicated and passionate faculty ensures that every student receives personalized attention. Public speaking, problem solving, and teamwork are vital skills that we develop in our students. Our vibrant extracurricular programs allow them to explore their interests and discover their true potential. Your extraordinary journey begins here.
My career as a teacher is going to fill a part of my life. The only way to be a truly fulfilled teacher is to do it with patience and vigor. Students don't care how much you know until they know how much you care.
It's not about ideas, it's about making the ideas happen. Building a strong relationship with our students, letting them know that they are valued persons in the community of our classroom and school.
My greatest strength is my willingness to take on new challenges and pursue excellence. I make most of my friends through my extracurricular activities. Anything is possible when you have good support system, and my support system of the school is teachers, families and my friends. Do what is right, not what is easy.
We at Selva International School provides opportunities to all the students to learn every day something new. Our aim in school is to make sure that all our kids are ready for future and going to be a socially responsible citizen.